I'll extend return time to 1400. Coast Guard Maroubra out.
Alrighty, at the spot, got liveys. I'm hoping this is just going to be a quick one. Not going to get through there. No, of course it isn't. Alrighty, got the heavy rod. See who the first culprit is. Fucking hard to get. Oh, it's flat. Should get a net. I've got one at home, but obviously I forgot to bring it. Alright. Through the beak. Down he goes. Load of bait on the screen. $20,000. Oh, I'm on. Yeah, already. That's how quick it is with liveys. Oh, 20,000. I can't go any tighter than that. Oh, holy. Oh, fuck, that's a good fish. That is a good fish. It's pulling the fucking boat. Oh, look at the sounder lit. Oh, oh, it's a good job I've got the gimbal on. Oh, fuck the gimbal. Probably a good amberjack this. See it. Yeah, it's an amberjack. Solid one too. Fuck yeah. God, he fought all the way up. Fuck yeah. Good amberjack. Oh, that's so cool. First drop on the bottom for 2 seconds. Oh, don't go spastic. Solid amberjack. I'll measure him. 79, not bad. Fuck yeah. Let's do it again. While they're here, God, my reel nearly came off. I never normally fish liveys, but it's fucking good fun. Next culprit, going down. Whew. God, I'm fucked. God, that's locked up on a 20,000 too. They go hard. They go proper hard. Got to some good shows down there. Real good shows. There we go, we're on the bottom. Oh, fuck. Nailed. Definitely alive, he's still on there. Oh yeah, there is. Oh yeah. Oh, shark. Holy fuck! Yeah. There we go. Oh fuck. Oh. Holy fuck. Oh fuck, this is good fun. Big head shakes. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh god, I'm fucked. 50 meters. I don't know if this is a kingy. This could be a dewy. Oh, probably an amberjack. Decent amberjack. Again, beautiful. I'm gonna let these go. I've got a freezer full. Look at that. Fucking sick. God, they pull hard. Let's load another one up. There we go. Oh. Come back for it. Come back. Livey's still there. Oh, there we go. Oh. It's not there anymore. Fucker. Could have half a live here, to be honest. That was a good hit. Oh no. God, something smashed him. It's like they just do big circles around this wreck. Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Holy fucking hell. That is a good fish. Oh, that is a good fish. Oh. Holy fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, there's a big shark under him. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Holy fuck, he just hit the boat. Oh. Oh no. Oh, what the fuck have I got on that one now? I'm gonna have to bring this head in. Is this on? Oh, the shark fucked me up there. Oh. Fucking hell. Look at that. That was a good amberjack too. That was a good amberjack. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. God, look at the sounder. Lit. Probably not going to stay too much longer. If old fucking Sharky's here. Took a proper bite. He'll probably come back for that. Hopefully that was recording. Yeah, it was. That was fucking mental. Hit the boat. Oh.